how to change text color in Photoshop. Now first of all, I'll open this Photoshop, and here let's type something. I'll type, let's say, subscribe here. Now I'll increase its size more. Let's see. So as you can see that this is the color here, and it is not prominent here. Now what I will do is I'll select this option, and I'll select this all, and here this is the option here. Now let's say I want to do it white. I can easily do this. So as you can see that this has been white. If I want to change the color again, I'll go to this option and select what I want. Let's say if I want to do is red, I can easily do this. So this is how you can change the color of text in Photoshop.
Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe.